I'm saying hello to you from lovely Blackpool. There is a lovely sea behind me, you can see. I'm gonna talk about these two perfumes. My lovely friend is taking a video of me, so she's laughing now. And I just wanted to share with you, I took with me these two perfumes just to refresh myself during the day. This one is new one, but I've used it quite a lot over the last few weeks. This is Pure Royal from Federico Mahora 900, and it's beautiful cherry perfume. Cherry? I don't know. Cherry perfume, and it's basically 100% dupe for Tom Ford Lost Cherry, and it's really like completely the same. It's so authentic, it's amazing, it's just incredible. It comes in a bottle like this. I just thought I'm gonna shoot this video now because it's a lovely scenery behind me. I'll show you the atomizer as well. You see? Beautiful! I don't know if you can see, but there you go, that's atomizer on it. And I really recommend this one. I will put links down below. It's £200 cheaper than the Tom Ford, and it's exactly the same. The smell, it's completely identical. You wouldn't smell the difference. It lasted me about 5 hours. It's amazing, this one. I absolutely love it. Actually, I'm gonna spray it on me again. I love it so much. Oh, gorgeous. I can smell my cherry all over me. It's great, it's fantastic. And then this is 709, which is tube for Dolce & Gabbana Free Limperdress, and I've used it a lot in the summer, as you can see. This is perfect tube for Dolce & Gabbana Free. It's so good. It's very refreshing. I'll put notes down below to both perfumes, so you will know what notes are in it. And they are great. Those perfumes are great. They are both from Federico Mahora. This one is for, I think, $14.50 or $14.90 from Federico Mahora. This one is $24.50, and it's like absolutely amazing dupes. And yeah, I'll finish shooting video now. I may get back to you when I get home. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful scenery in a Blackpool with all the sea. And thank you, my lovely friend, for taking my video. And see you soon, guys. Thank you. This is my friend Isa. She's gonna tell you what she feels about the perfume I recommended to her. It's a dupe for Lost Cherry Tom Ford, and that's from Federico Mahora Pure Royal 900. Go on, Isa. Say hello.
Alright, so first of all, it lasts as long as the original one. I had the original bottle, but when it's run out, I don't really want to feel like spending that much money, so I look for cheaper versions, and that is just perfect. If you look online, everyone recommends it so much. It lasts as long. People will stop you on the street and ask you what perfume you are wearing, and it's just a great price.
Thank you very much, Isa, and thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.
How you feel about